Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Far Cry 6 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the store page. From here, click on the search box and then type in Far Cry 6 and start your search.
Once you find the Far Cry 6 game, go ahead and click on it and then confirm your age, and you will be taken into the game's page. Now from this page you can watch the game trailer and also check out the reviews, and then you can scroll down and click on the add to cart button in order to add this into your cart. You can also download the demo version to see if you would like to purchase the full version of the game. After clicking on the add to cart button for your preferred edition, click on the view my cart button. From here click on continue to payment, and now you can choose your payment method from the drop down menu. To complete your transaction, just click on the continue button, and now you may use your credentials for your chosen payment method. After entering your credentials, just continue forward with logging in, and after finalizing your transaction, the game will be added onto your library, from which you can complete the installation with just a few clicks. And once the game installation is completed, you can start enjoying the Far Cry 6 game on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Far Cry 6 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more updates from our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.